Okay, today we are taking the OSCE class, Objective Structured Clinical Examination, because this you are going to write the OSCE examination. Any idea about OSCE exam? Some students, some senior students, they know about the OSCE exam, but some junior students, especially third sem, are now are appearing the adult health nursing or nursing foundation subject. They don't know about the OSCE methods, stations. Now your friends they are introducing about the OSCE exam and different stations. Okay. Okay, one student is explaining in Kannada, other student is explaining in the Malayalam. If any problems there, I will enter in English. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's start. Start. OSCE.
ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಸ್ಕಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಆಸ್ಕಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್.
Next explain Malayalam. Start.
OSCE മെത്തേഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 4 ഇതാണ്. OSCE ഫുൾ ഫോം ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ് സ്ട്രക്ചർ ക്ലിനിಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್.
ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗೋಲ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಗೋಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ ഗോൾ എന്താണ്, നമ്മൾ ഗോളെന്ന് എഴുതൂല്ലേ, അതാണ് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ്. നമ്മുടെ നോളജ് ടെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ്.
ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್
സ്ട്രക്ചേർഡ് ഉള്ളത്. അവിടെ നമുക്ക് 5 സ്റ്റേഷൻസ് ആണുള്ളത്. അവിടെ നമ്മൾ ഓരോ സ്കില്ലും ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ഓരോ പ്രൊസീജിയേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടാവും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും കാൽക്കുലേഷൻസ് എന്തെങ്കിലും ബേസ്ഡ് ഉണ്ടാവും.
Only one case, hypertension or case they are allotted. But nowadays they changed the pattern as how they change the year to cell batch. RHS. Like that change the pattern OSCE. In real life exam like real life expectation, they are allotted on each station. Total 7 stations. They are allotted each station. They are watching what you are doing. They are watching. Your examiners, two examiners, one individual actor. Okay, one examiner is watching what you are doing. For example, they will explain one by one. We will explain about the OSCE exam. Okay. Next, so this is the overall history of the OSCE exam. That developed in the University of Dundee in the Scotland. In 1975, Dr. Arden and his colleagues they already started the OSCE in 1975. Well started. It's 30 years or 20 years. 75 is now we are in. It was 25. How many years I started? 50 years back only they started the OSCE exam. The main definition or meaning of the OSCE is, say, OSCE is the form of performance. The basis of OSCE any basis agidare. Start Kannada. Don't read, just tell what you know about that. OSCE tell in Kannada.
ಆಸ್ಕಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗಳು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗಳು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಬೆಡ್ മറ്റൊന്ന്
ജസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് ചെയ്യുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ ക്ലിനിക്കൽ നോളജ് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയുള്ള ഒരു ടെസ്റ്റ് ആണ് OSCE.
Competence. KAS. What is KAS? Knowledge, attitude, skill. The OSCE depends on the knowledge and your attitude, not your skill. For example, you allotted on station or for example, first station, how you are communicating with the patient. Knowledge, you are sharing your knowledge to the or giving education to the patient, and attitude, how you are speaking, how you are standing in front of the patient. Then how you are giving nursing care to the patient, the skill. All depending on the knowledge, attitude, skill. That is the definition or meaning of the OSCE. The main purpose uses of OSCE. Yeah, start. In Kannada, there is no Kannada.
ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Kannada.
ಇಂಟರ್ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್. ಮೊದಲು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ನಮ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಜಾಬ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್.
ഇന്റർപേഴ്സണൽ കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ സ്കിൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും സംസാരിച്ചുള്ള ആ ഒരു ഇതാണ് ഇന്റർപേഴ്സണൽ കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ സ്കിൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ. ഹിസ്റ്ററി ടേക്കിംഗ് അറിയാമല്ലോ, പാസ്റ്റ് എന്തൊക്കെ ഡിസീസ് ഉണ്ടോ എന്തെങ്കിലും അവരുടെ ഫാമിലി ഹിസ്റ്ററി എല്ലാം എടുക്കുന്നത് ഹിസ്റ്ററി ടേക്കിംഗ്. പിന്നെ ഫിസിക്കൽ എക്സാമിനേഷൻ ഓഫ് ദ സ്പെസിഫിക് ബോഡി സിസ്റ്റം, ഓരോ ബോഡി സിസ്റ്റത്തിന് ഫിസിക്കൽ എക്സാമിനേഷൻസ് എടുക്കുന്നതാണ് ഫിസിക്കൽ എക്സാമിനേഷൻ. മെന്റൽ ഹെൽത്ത് അസസ്മെന്റ്, അവരുടെ മെന്റലി ഹെൽത്ത് നോക്കുന്ന അസസ്മെന്റ് ആണ് മെന്റൽ ഹെൽത്ത് അസസ്മെന്റ്. ക്ലിനിക്കൽ ഡിസിഷൻ മേക്കിംഗ് ഇൻക്ലൂഡിംഗ് ദ ഫോർമേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഡിഫറൻഷ്യൽ ഡയഗ്നോസിസ്.
This is the main figure of the OSCE. Main why we should conduct the OSCE exam. Why that university decided to conduct the ASCII exam andre adhe main figure. Say knowledge, skill, attitude. To know about your knowledge gottagಬೇಕು. They should know about your knowledge, they should know about your skill, how you are speak, how you are maintaining interpersonal relationship between the two persons. Each station, there may be some college there are 7 stations, or some college 6, some college 9, only odd numbers, or some college 15, 13 other station. Adralle in that first you know about the knowledge, skill, attitude. First illedenu thus how you are doing, how you are giving care to the patient, then how you are showing the procedure to the examiners, then how you are knows how to do, how to check the temperature adella check ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next how much knowledge about the TPR example procedure. Adu main, that's main purpose of the ASCII and main uses. Okay, these are the steps. Now your friends are explaining one by one steps, fast and one by one step explaining it both language. Please concentrate the step is very important point in the this class. Okay, start.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗಳಿದೆ.
Come here, check ಮಾಡಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್
stations, that steps.
ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆ. 9 ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗಳಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋಲ್ ಏನಂತ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋದು.
Down.
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಬ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ಗಳು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Each task separate score.
ಈಚ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್,
Now let's set up in the stations, maybe 9 or 10 or 11 or 12 like that.
ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ orienting ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಕ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಪೇಪರ್, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅನಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್.
സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് ക്ലിയർ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ്സ് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ എന്താ കോളെന്ന് ആദ്യം ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യുക. പിന്നെ ആ പ്രാക്ടിക്കൽ ആസ്പെക്ട് എന്താണ്, എന്തൊക്കെ പ്രാക്ടിക്കൽ നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുള്ള ഓരോ സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ നമ്മൾ ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യണം. പിന്നെ ഏത് ടാസ്ക് ആണോ അത് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യണം. എന്നിട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ബ്രേക്ക് ഇൻ ടു സബ് ടാസ്ക്, ഏതാണോ ഓരോ ടാസ്ക് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ ഓരോ ടാസ്കിലേക്കും എൻട്രി ചെയ്യുക. ദെൻ അസൈൻ ദ സ്കോർസ് ഫോർ ഈച്ച് സബ് ടാസ്ക്, നമ്മൾ ആ സ്കോർ അസൈൻ ചെയ്യുക, ഓരോ ടാസ്കിനും ഇത്ര സ്കോർ ആണെന്ന്. ദെൻ സ്റ്റേഷൻ സെറ്റപ്പ് ചെയ്യുക. കണ്ടക്ട് ആഫ്റ്റർ ഓറിയന്റിംഗ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ആൻഡ് എക്സാമിനേഴ്സ്, സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനെ എക്സാമിനേഴ്സിനെ ഓറിയന്റ് ചെയ്യുക ഇതിനെക്കുറിച്ച്. മേക്ക് നോട്ട്സ് ഓഫ് ദ പ്രോസസ് ആൻഡ് റിവ്യൂ, ആ ഒരു പ്രോസസ്സിനെ കുറിച്ചും അതിനെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള നോട്ട്സ് നമ്മൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുക. അനലൈസ് ദ റിസൾട്ട്സ് ആൻഡ് യൂസ് ദ സെയിം ഫോർ സ്റ്റുഡൻറ് അസസ്മെന്റ്, അതിന്റെ റിസൾട്ട്സ് എല്ലാം അനലൈസ് ചെയ്യുക.
Okay, that's the main steps in implementation of the ASCII. Next, the components, the overall components of ASCII or main objectives of the ASCII banda. In that case, total examination coordinating, you are conducting the practical exam. That's the first committee. Conduction or idea, plans, total how many stations, over the examiner settings, overall. Next, examination coordinator. For example, who is your coordinator like that? Class code like that. The ASCII coordinator overall. For example, the principal of the College of Nursing. That's the main coordinator. Next, list of skill. First, they should know about the skills, behavior, attitude to be assessed. Student assessment. It should be assessed. Criteria for scoring and each criteria evaluation criteria. Check patient, check yes or no, yes tick. Criteria irtala yes or no tick or 1 2 3 marks like that is the criteria. And examination site. Next, examination stations with time only one station, not 2 minutes or 2 or 5 minutes time in only one station. Within 5 minutes you need to finish your work. Within 5 minutes you need to complete your assessment skill or planning or implementation or what they assigned work. Within 5 minutes you need to complete. Next, couplet station. The couplet station means more than 5 or 6 or 7 type of station. Next, patient. This slide is very important. So zoom this slide. Total 2 stations. The main we are focusing on the 2 stations mainly. One station is the procedure station, nursing procedures. What are the nursing procedures? Examples of nursing procedures: nursing procedures. Example, bed bath, IV cannulation. Procedure station. Student here, we are assigning some task to the students perform on the patient or simulation. Simulation means what's meaning of simulation? Another word of simulation, simulator labs. Simulators. What's meaning of simulation? In our fundamental labs, there is simulator. Simulation on mannequin. That's the mannequin, the rubber. In that mannequin, you are doing the procedure, IV cannulation, or changing the IV cannula, or giving the tube feeding, or Bodies catheter, urinary bladder catheterization. That are all the things you are doing in this type of stations, procedure station. In out of 7 stations, at least 3 stations are procedure stations. Procedure, any procedure related to your syllabus. Fundamental of nursing, adond procedure. Fundamental nursing related to the nursing foundation, or related to the adult nursing procedures. What is basic fundamental of nursing procedures? Basic common. Nursing care, basic nursing care. What you already give on care in the hospital side? Air care. You best students, not old. What is best? Air care, mouth care, or oral hygiene, voice. Then any one care. Assisted. These are the overall nursing care in the fundamental of nursing. In adult nursing, the overall more than the tube feeding, nasogastric tube, urinary bladder catheterization, IV cannulation. These are upgraded. What's the procedure station? Next, response station. In that response station, you need to respond to the situation. Means real life problems. One patient is admitted to the hospital, check the patient weight. The patient temperature is the 104 degree. Which type of fever it is called? That is the response. You need to respond in this station. Say example is another. Student, you should respond to the questions of objective type or interpret the result. They will give only ECG paper in myocardial infarction on this AWMI. AWMI means anterior myocardial infarction. They will give one ECG paper. You need to interpretation of the result. This is called anterior MI, like that you tick mark. That is the response station. You need to record the data, interpret the result. It may be objective type. What is normal body temperature dash? What is normal? 37, 39, 40, 42. What's the normal ABCD option? Normal 37 degrees Celsius. See, that is the second type of station. One procedure, next response. Okay, next main advantages here, and the main advantages of this ASK more valid than the traditional approach. What's traditional? Background the exam. How you are all writing the exams? How you wrote the nursing foundation last year? 1 year back. They allotted one patient. Chits. They allotted one patient. Your patient is asking which patient last year? Nursing foundation time. Which patient? Not name, case, fever, your hypertension, yours. Like that, you are telling one case, not in the first year. You are telling one case. That is the allotted case. That is the traditional approach to give the case. Old method. Now they change it to the clinical examination. Direct observation. If you are assessing the patient or in the ASK, examiners will come into your station. They will ask some question direct face to face. Like Viva. Bedside Viva, like that. How you are attending Viva in the staff room, like that. The examiners are conducting the Viva in the bedside conductment. There are some questions direct face to face. You need to answer all the questions. If you are not telling any answer, they will mark into mark. They will the -1. You need to answer all the questions what the examiners will ask. But the main examiners can decide your marks. Final. Examiners will decide your marks. What is to be tested. What is already what are the knowledge you have there will test knowledge, skill, attitude. Examiners can have better control on the content and the complexity. So what is complexity again? Complexity is what? Knowledge, attitude, skill. Complexity or content they only check. Who will check? Examiners. Okay. More reality or real level, because variables of the examiners or patient are removed. to the larger extent. More reality irutte main agi. If you direct agi that examiners will ask any questions andre they are telling wrong answer, exam immediately correct ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's the main tips. If you are telling what is temperature, that examiners ask question to the one student ask it time. If they are telling madam normal temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, the examiner immediately correct the answer. No, 40 degrees students, that's 37, learn and know. Like that examiners maintain that type of communication with the students. That's the more reliable variables. Not all the examiners are same. Some examiners they are different agirತಾರೆ. Then afterwards next more practical skill. You need to develop the more practical skill. You need to attend the more practical classes, fundamental lab. We are already having the fundamental of medicine lab in our college. Okay. We are conducting the positive. It's a more practical because it can be used with the large number of students at one time. Or 1 hour only can conduct the at least only 5 or 6 students based on the station wise. Based on the station, 1 hour only 6 students matter. Any 6 stations idre only 6 students in only 1 hour. In one station only maybe 5 minutes is first. 5 minutes or 10 minutes. 10 5s are 50 or 10 6s are 60. 10 minutes is the timing. Station number 6. 10 6s are 60 minutes equals how many hour? 1 hour only 6 students. Next main disadvantages ಏನಂದ್ರೆ students knowledge and skill are tested in compartments and they are not tested on the ability to look at the patient as a whole. For example, you are allotting one patient, HIV patient allot ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. HIV or some fever patient. In that patient question ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is defined fever, what are the types of fever, only that question only ask it. Not about what's the first aid management of fever and what are the medical management fever ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. Only ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು. They not do any overreaction. Only the not tested their ability to look at the patient. Only the tested the student skill. In the fever patient is taking the treatment in the medical ward. What is the medical management of the patient with fever? That is the main question of second, not more than that. That's the main disadvantage. The students only know the only book. What's the normal temperature? 37. They don't know about pulse, they don't know about respiration. Only they know about the temperature. That's the main disadvantage of the what's that? Disadvantages of ASCII. Demanding for both examiners and patient. This is very difficult. But in other style of examination, first 7 o'clock exam start up with previous 2 years or 3 years back. Examination coming afterwards. After 2 hours of the exam started, then the examiners coming in, bed to bed they will do the 5 may or may not. Now we need demanding of both examiners. So 2 examiners, the internal, the external. We need 2 examiners. We need together 2 examiners. One examiner is coming from the first station, another examiner is coming from the last station. Until the examiners conduct madalo, the exam started. First they conduct the exams, then start the ASCII. That's the main disadvantage. Next, examiners pay close attention to the students. Close attention to the students. Next, the time involved is a problem. Say only 1 hour in the hospital setting. The 1 hour we can conduct 20 or 30 students examination. In hospital setting, we allotted one case, finished. Then coming attend the room viva or bedside viva. 1 hour in total 60 or 40 students. Golden days. In this exam, ask in 1 hour how many students I will expect? 1 hour only 6. First hour 9 to 10, 1 hour 6 students. 10 to 11, next to 6. 11 to 12, next 6. Only per day, 1 day 6 3 is 18. Only 18 or 20 students only per day full. That's the main disadvantages. 1 day only 20 students are the exam. Not everyone. Only 1 day, only first 20 students. Next day, next 20 students. 2 days. That's the main disadvantages. Not golden days. Next, maintaining the uniform difficulty levels is not always possible. Should maintain the unity maintain. Because first day 20 students, next day next 20 students. First day overall appearing the overall writing the 20 student examination bartala. How ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ difficult ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Because the first time they are attending the exam ASCII. They don't know idea ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. Now I am okay from the Vedanta Singh of teaching. I am explaining about ASCII. Okay. For idu ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ knowledge, first 10 members attending the writing the ASCII exam. They don't know simple knowledge. Station ಅಂದ್ರೆ they call it as madam radio station ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ಮೇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್. ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 10 or 20 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 20 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 20 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಟು ದ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನೋ ಟ್ರಬಲ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನರ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಮೇನ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ASCII disadvantage. Next we are going by step by step, steps in taking the ASCII as examination for students. Okay, ASCII. Steps in taking ASCII as examination for students. Listen carefully, it's very very important class. Steps for taking the ASCII exam, objective structure, clinical examination steps. Some steps, total 8 steps. First step, registration. First step, as a student, first to register the your register number. Register number, college name, college ID card, college uniform, shoe, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್, ಶೋ ಯುವರ್ ರೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ದ ಇನ್ವಿಜಿಲೇಟರ್. Show your roll number with ID card, identity card, general instruction. Then first of all, you don't overall writing the nursing foundation third semester or second sem students. First of all, they don't know about how to attend the exam. Practical exam they know, but they don't know how to attend the ASCII. They don't have any idea. For that students, first they give the general instruction total. This many stations, this one, this station. First station is like that. Second station, third station. They give the general instruction. Invigilator will inspect all the articles. The articles are mobile phone, smartwatch, copy sheets. They will check all the items in which that is not allowed inside the examination stations. All next, receive your exam envelope or hall ticket. Exam envelope or center name exam envelope which contains your ID, your stickers, pencil, notebook, clipboard, wrapper, pencil, ella they will check all the items. That's the first one, registration. Second one, orientation. They give the orientation. How I am giving orientation to the ASCII exam class. Like that they give the orientation. That is the word, or that is the examination. Or first station, second, third, fifth is the registration, sixth to seven, like that they give the orientation to the entire stations. Other orientation, exam format, procedure, policy. Next introduce your team leader, ASCII team leader, not class. Team leader, team name, team leader, instruct about the starting station or how to proceed, how to attend the exam. And student can ask their queries regarding the ASCII. You also ask any doubts to the invigilator. There is no any problem. If you are facing any problem in the ASCII, you need to ask your question to the is that invigilator or examiner. Explain what is first station, like that you can ask them your clear your doubt. Okay, that is the orientation step. Third step, escorting to the exam position. After briefing about the exam, after giving the impression about the stations in the exam, next orienting student about the ASCII, escorted to the stations. For example, come any 5 members. But third step, escorting to the exam position. Escorting to the exam position. Total again 5 students. Register number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that we are focusing on. In this area, the escorting. First we are telling the first station. Go and stand in the first. This is the first station. Okay. So any doubt you can call. See like that, invigilation duty. This is the first station you stand. Okay. Second station. Come second person, please you stand here. So this is the second station. See how they are maintaining the communication invigilation. Like that they maintain communication in the college side or exam center. Third person. Roll number 3. Come here stand here. See that is the third. Fourth. Fourth. Fifth. Stand at the road. See this is the 5 different station. Place is small. That's why I'm using more this place. With the escorting and the next we are ringing bell up station instruction time. In each station they are having only 5 minutes. 5 minutes are based on the time available in the exam. 5 minutes and which is the fifth station? Fifth station 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now station instruction time, you are instructing that you are in the station and only 5 minutes you are staying in your station. Only 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes you finish your allotted questions. One question at the procedure, record the temperature of the mannequin. That is one procedure. Or give the health care to that patient, real patient. Or instruct ECG, interpretation of the ECG adon station. Or write the side effects of propranolol medication. That is one station. One station is the rest. No any work. Rest and they relax. Maybe. Next, Station already given the instruction. Say carefully enter the room at the next bell. When I'm ringing the bell, ringing agita, start your encounter with the standardized patient. You start the bell start marking. One sound bell, no bell, no. Like that will do some bell or some sound. This type of sound they need to change the station. First station they're going into the second station. Change that. Second station they're going to the third station. Third station they're going to the fourth. Is fourth? Yes. Fourth station going to the fifth station. Fifth station coming to the first. That is the 5 to 10 based on the exam questions. Each station they are giving at least 5 or 6 minutes time. Okay. Now they change the station. Change aita. Yadu which is the last station? Last. First. Now. Second. Now here. Third. Now here. Fifth. First. See like that again after 10 minutes again same sound agutte. Say until completion of the exam there is same sound or same bell or something the based on the college equipments. You do the sound again you need to change the stations. Again change marta you need to change the station. Thank you. Please. Encounter time. Okay, start. Next post encounter time is the nearest to the last finishing we are ending the exam. Ending the exam is first station they already reached the fifth station. First station finish, second finish, third finish, fourth finish, last and first station person is coming to the fifth or last station. That is the post encounter last long bell. Long bell agutade. Not only regular bell ತರ ಇರಲ್ಲ. Regular bell. This is the regular bell after 6 or after every 7 minutes. Regular bell. But last station continuous. That's continuous. Then do the 2 or 3 times sound ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That is the post encounter period or post encounter time. Adu last session. Will have no post encounter period. Some will have leave the 1 to 2 minutes. If they are not finishing, they will ask permission or request extra students. Madam, 1 minute and they may be some colleges give the some extra 1 or 2 minutes. Maybe not exactly illa. Maybe they will give extra 60 seconds or extra 2 minutes. Maybe I don't know perfect. That's the main post encounter. Last repeat 4 to 6. Change ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Need to change the timings. Need to change the station wise. Last exam. After first person reaching to the fifth station. Station 1 to station 6 reach after that exam is over or ended. Then after long wait they can proceed to the outside. They can go to the outside of the college. That's the exam ended. Exam is over. Student will be escorted back to their original place. They can go back to their original or outside. Next, once they are going ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ next 6 members they are ready. This side is 5 members exam already they are written already ಆಗಿದೆ exam. Next 5 members ready ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. There no chance to the communication in exam time. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ total 20 members on the 20 members exam. First 6 members 1 to 6 they are already writing the exam. Next 6 members already are outside. You enter and your enter exit enter there simultaneously ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Don't feel that 6 members ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ first 6 ಆಗಿ ask some questions no chance ಇಲ್ಲ. First 6 members they are standing this side. First 6 members okay come Sanjay first ಅಲ್ಲ this is the first I am the first 6 members turn this side that side he is the second 6 members on this side he is on and off. I am going simultaneously I am going out the next 6 members they are going inside. Chance ಇಲ್ಲ communication. You don't try to communicate with the next 6 members. And uncommon I believe that they are going outside next 6 members outside ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Other than 6 members 6 plus 6 12 13 to 19 that batch is there outside. For that batch they changed the ASCII questions. Each and every exam change ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ questions ಒಂದೊಂದು ASCII ನೀವು ಬರ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಕಾ record ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. Exam security reason. After exam finish ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ don't immediately don't go to the hostel home don't escape. Don't escape ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. Until that exam finished by the all student they are waiting. Then if possible they conduct the room viva. Room viva. No meaning of room viva? Room viva ಅಂದ್ರೆ there are 2 examiners sitting in the one room or one examiner is sitting this side another is sitting in the that side opposite direction. First this number one student attending the viva for examiner 1. This number 2 attending the viva to examiner 2. Then they can exchange. After some few questions from the examiner, they can extend to the examiner 1 to 1 and 2 and 1. Next, third and fourth. Again they are coming, again attend the Viva. This one method. Another method, examiner they are sitting together. Examiner 1 and 2 they are sitting together, they attend the Viva together. One person attend the Viva. It's like IS, IPS questions together they are attending the Viva, they answer questions. Two examiners sitting in the same desk. Same questions or different questions asked to the student. Another third method, silence. Third method, one examiner sitting in the opposite direction, one the examiners. Then first register number or some examiners they conduct the last register number. Examiner first, register number 1, examiner second, register number last side, first side. Or register number 1, first examiner. So after finishing this Viva, same person is going to the examiner 2. Next register number 2. Again 2i, again 3i, again 4. Like that there ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 3 different style of attending the room Viva. This about ASCII exam finish ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This about the ASCII. Now we go for the some example of model ask some questions first. Okay, first example of model ASCII same for undergraduate nursing students for UGC. For UGC common or some model exam of the ASCII exam. Please watch carefully. Watch the video carefully. Next station 1. First station see like that they give the example. Assess the patient X, identify the 3 clearly nursing needs. Assess the patient X. One patient is in the station number 1 in the better patient. One real patient. Fever, any type of patient. The question is assess the patient and giving the 3. Need to write the 3 prioritized nursing needs. If you identify the patient with fever, need to write the fever nursing diagnosis. Adon station. Next station, conduct the MSc mental status assessment. Common example first. Or conduct the assessment or conduct the level of courses conduct madanta. Adon second station. Next third station is ECT. Electroconvulsive therapy. This for third year. ECT electroconvulsive therapy of patient ke write any record the procedure like that. Some station 3, station 4 change the beep. Okay, change the P positive expiratory result. Change the P for at least 10 to 5 of the patient 0. So patient Z who is on ventilator. Change the P pin, change the ventilator support circuit. This for third year questions. Third year and maybe second year research too. Already they give on patient for that. That's it. Idella and station 6 interpret the ABG report or station 7 patient prescription or calculation of the medication. IV fluid calculation. Patient 8 mention the drug name or uses adverse effect like that. There are some questions like a basic like that. There are some questions. Now last one 8th station interpret the ECG strips. Interpretation ECG problem interpretation station 8. Some one more station is some hospital they put the one more station means rest station. In rest station ಏನು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You don't do anything, just you go and sit. First station only problem ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. In the first station if they get any restrictions there is waste. Only they are going and sitting. First station restrict with first exam stations. If first station student going to the rest station whether there have some knowledge or idea something time ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ to write the points in the rest station. That is main station. Okay, that's the different stations of the this one ASCII. Main station ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ sometimes not every time ASCII exam connecting the college. Every time college connect ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ASCII exam. ASCII exam is not every time connected in the college of nursing. Sometimes they ASCII exam they conduct in the hospital side or real patient experience. You need to check the patient pulse. Station only check the patient pulse. You need to check the patient pulse, especially nursing foundation student. Check the patient pulse. Show the what are the pulses in the patient area, sites, pulse sites. Check the BP. Check the temperature. Like that they will ask the questions in the hospital side ASCII. Maybe college side ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ they only ask some theory and practical they mix ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ procedure line and case wise. In hospital side they take the real patient real patients means sometimes ICU ಮಾಡಬಹುದು like that. This type of questions. See this type of question maybe be ready. This type of questions. Check the people, check the ventilator circuit, or show the modes of mechanical ventilation. Like that they will ask any type of questions in the ASCII or in the stations. You will last finish ಆಯ್ತು. Next, last question. If you have any doubts about the ASCII, how they are conducting the ASCII exam, any doubts in that, please ask your questions. Please ask them openly. You can ask your any questions in the This is about the ASCII examination class. Please share to your friends. Share ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Please know what the students. Please ask any doubts in the ASCII discuss. Any doubts in this class? Please ask questions in your comment box. Okay. Thank you.